Hey, it's John with Ocean Breeze's Home Inspections. We're in a home for a client in Surfside Beach, and just wanted to show you something we came across. Actually, two items. The first one is I'm in a crawl space and I'm underneath right by where the HVAC ductwork is coming in. And if you can see, this is supposed to be all new, and whether it is or not, I'm not quite sure, but it's full of water. And right next to that happens to be the main wiring coming in, which is exposed and not in a junction box, but also, as you can see, the ground isn't even grounded. It's come apart on them. So again, one of the many things we find on homes when we're doing inspections. You can reach us directly at 843-251-4868 if you're needing an inspection in the greater Grand Strand, Myrtle Beach, Horry, and Georgetown County areas. Have a great day.